am Diamond Master Maria Elizabeth Calalo Simsim from Baguio Cup Center. I'm so proud of my center. That's the center of our Royal Master, Ma'am Claire. Let's clap for Ma'am Claire. Okay. Good morning. Okay. Sabi nila pag nag-good morning ka daw or good afternoon, dapat sasagutin mo rin ng good morning. Okay, ulitin ko. Good morning! Uto-uto kayo, no? Joke lang yun. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay. I want to begin with this Bible verse, okay? Sabi dito sa Isaiah 48:17. I am the Lord your God, who teaches you to profit or benefit, who leads you in the way you should go. Okay, that's why we're going to learn about the marketing plan. Okay, can everybody please read in 3, 2, 1? Very good, children. Uto-uto talaga kayo, no? Okay, next. Oh, so I started before. I was a hotel and restaurant manager in Baguio, okay? So, as a manager, syempre, mataas po yung sweldo ko. After 6 months, napaboom ko po yung hotel and restaurant. So, they give me a salary increase of 5,000 per month, okay? Now, mataas nga ang sweldo ko, but then, since it's a service establishment, I had to be there, holidays, special days, Christmas, New Year. My daughter, Sky, was consistent honor, but I wasn't there for her to pin her medal. So I had a lot of family sacrifices, okay? And then throughout the years, we had a consistent, persistent problem with the labor union. So it forced the owners to close down. So goodbye to my big income. Now, good for me kasi managerial ako, so may ipon po ako. But then how about if you are just a regular employee? So ang salary mo will start from basic, tama. And then you would have to work hard, and then you have to compete with other people just for one position of manager, di ba? Or some people would have to work for how many years? 20, 30, 40, 50, just to get to that top position. And by the time that they get to that top position, matatanda na po sila at sakitin na. Tama po ba? O, di ba? So alam nyo yan. Okay. Now, there will come a time that you might be laid off or you lose your job. Like in the pandemic, di ba? Maraming nawalan ng trabaho. Or you might have to retire. So again, goodbye to your income. O, di ba? They will give you a one-time, big-time separation pay, di ba? But would it be enough? Or they would give you, meron kayong pension, monthly pension, ngayon is mga 3,000 to 5,000, di ba? Kasya ba yun? Di ba? Yan. And now, in comparison, Atomy, okay? So, your income starts low, but then it escalates in just a few years, di ba? As we can see from our Imperial Masters, yan. So dito, ang maganda dito, yan, okay. Sarili natin po ang oras natin, di ba? Sa empleyado, you need to punch in, punch out 8 to 5, 9 to 6, Monday to Friday, or Saturday, di ba? So dito sa atin, sarili natin ang ating oras. Sa employee, meron pang age limit, di ba? Pag i-hire nila kayo, 20 to 30 years old lang. Tama? Hindi sila kukuha ng matatanda. Sa atin, meron po sa Baguio Cup Center, we have a lady, she is 81 years old. O would you believe? Pwede pa bang magtrabaho sa employment yung gano'n, di ba? 81 years old. Now, wala ring education required po dito. Okay? Pwedeng high school graduate, elementary graduate. While in employment, kailangan may graduate ka ng degree, di ba? Pag higher position ang a-applyan mo, you should be masteral or PhD degree. Tama? Yes, di ba? And dyan sa employment, no work, no pay. Tama? Pag sa Atomy, no work with pay. Gusto nyo? O, di ba? Even if you stop using Atomy, even if you don't know Atomy, or you just stop, tuloy-tuloy po yan. Bakit? Because of the system income. Dire-diretso siya. Okay? Now, why is that? Because Atomy is passive income. And then, employment is active income, meaning you have to do something, di ba? Para makuha mo yung pera. Okay. And then, after that, I also became an insurance agent. Oh, malaki po ang pera sa insurance, di ba? May mga nag-ahente dito, sigurado. But then, the commission percentage diminishes halfway through the paying period of the client. So, for example, kumuha siya ng 5-year plan. Ang commission nyo will end on the 3rd year. If she gets a 10-year plan, your commission would end on the 5th year. And una, ang commission nyo, 40%. The following year, 30%. The following year, 20, 10, then no more. Meaning, you have to actively find another client, maraming client para dire-diretso yung commission nyo. Tama, di ba? Now, for example, kuminsan we also, yan, dahil nga active income siya, so you have to find clients lagi. For example, sometimes we also get insurances for ourselves. Tama? Mukuha tayo. Ngayon, the value of your money will increase over time. Tama? And when the plan matures, you will get your lump sum. One time, big time money. Tama? Diba? Or, depende rin. Sometimes it might not be commensurate to your needs. For example, there's an economic downturn, nag-crash yung stock market, or pandemic, or any other economic factors or other external factors yan. So, o kuminsan naman, sometime, kumukuha tayo ng insurance because gusto nating may maiwan sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Tama? It's a very honorable deed. Okay? So, time will come that the benefits or the claims will be received and enjoyed by your beneficiaries. Tama? One time, big time, lump sum. Sila lang. Bakit? Kasi tinawag ka na ni Lord. O, di ba? So, you do not get to enjoy the benefits of the insurance you got. Tama, kasi para sa kanila yon. Okay? Now, unlike Atomy, which is passive income, yan, your commission increases. Diba? It increases over a few years lang siya. Okay? And then, you can enjoy your what you sowed in Atomy together with your child, your grandchild, and great-grandchild, and so on and so forth. Diba? Tama po? O, diba? So, if you can see from the arrows, it doesn't start at the bottom. Bakit po? Because they are already in your lineage. And there's a big network under your family. So meaning, ang makukuha po nilang pera ay malaki na. O, di ba? Magpapamana ka na rin lang yung laki-lakihan mo na, di ba? Alangan naman yung konti lang bibigay mo, di ba? Yan. So, and here, ayan, meron tayong, that's the best family legacy that you can give. It's a big amount, hindi yung unti lang, di ba? Or papamana ka ng utang, okay? So, anong gusto nyo? For example, gusto nyo ba yung left graph na one time, big time, pero may RIP? Or gusto nyo yung right graph, big time, all the time, infinity? Infinity. O, di ba? Yan, okay. Next. Before I went into Atomy, I was into another MLM company, okay? We have what we call priority income. Ano yung priority income? Ito yung graph niya. Anong ibig sabihin yan? It took me 4.5 years to realize that their profit sharing in their marketing plan was only intended for the pioneers. O, diba? So what will happen now to the new members? Anong mangyari sa kanila? This is their graph. Of course, they will also get income, but they are not part of the profit sharing anymore. Diba maraming LMM na ganyan na darating yung time na ubusan sila ng pera pang payout dun sa mga new members. And then they will close. Tama? Yan, okay. Unlike Atomy, we have what we call recitation. Basahin. Basa. Ceiling income. Okay, now. So, whether you are pioneer or new member, you get the same. O, di ba? Nakikita nyo yung years dyan, di ba? O. So, once you get that ceiling income, pare-parehas po tayo. You get that about 2 million po yan. Okay? Now, what will happen to the excess? It is distributed back to the system for the new members. O, di ba? Ang ganda. Palakpakan naman po natin yan. Okay, so it's just fair and square. Tama po? You like the left graph na pababa? Or you want the right graph? Right graph, of course. Now, question, how to join? Ito na tayo. Please submit your full name with middle name, birthday, address, zip code, phone number, email address, TIN number, brand number. Okay, parang fill up lang kayo ng slum book. Naalala nyo yan? Okay, for legal age, 18 years old and above. Okay. Note, to maintain your active membership, you may get one product within a year para hindi po ma-deactivate ang inyong account. Okay. So, how does Atomy differ from others? Wala pong membership fee, walang registration fee, walang monthly quota, walang maintenance, walang website domain fees, and no level demotion. Sa ibang companies, pag hindi mo na-maintain yung status mo, position mo, back to zero ka, di ba? Sayang. Okay. And absolute quality. Napansin nyo ba yung bagong packaging ng toothbrush? Kita nyo ba? Wala na yung plastic? Atomy now has that Blue Marine project na zero waste. So, hindi lang po quality product ang concern ng Atomy, but even the plastic na covering, imagine that. Yung mga ibang companies, iniisip kaya yan? So, by year 2030, balak ng Atomy is to be 50% zero plastic. O, di ba? Ang galing. Okay. Yes, tama, pinapalakpakan po yan. Nabasa ko yan sa profile. Okay. Tapos, we have FDA approval. We have a halal rating for the Muslim and kosher rating for the Jewish. And also, we have patents for our products, like the Hemohim. I don't know if you know, some of you may. The Hemohim has 7 international patents for cancer, and it is used in the Korea Cancer Hospital. O, di ba? Yan. And then, absolute price products tayo, meaning the products, even if while they are high quality, low price po siya na available or kaya ng mga masa. Okay? Lifetime discount, senior or junior, 20 to 40%. Infinite point value accumulation. So sa ibang networking po, ang commission nyo hanggang 10th or 11th level lang. E paano kung nasa ibaba yung maraming bumibili? O di ba? Di sayang, wala na. Dito, infinity po tayo. Okay? Maganda po ba? Siyempre, maganda yung nagsasalita, di ba? Walang aangal, ako nandito. Okay, next. PV and its importance. Personal PV or PPV comes from your personal purchases. Yung mga binili nyo po under your name is called PPV. Group PV or GPV coming from your group purchase, either your left or your right. Okay. Clarification po, may ibang nagtatanong, ang dami ko nang binili, may kita na ba ako? Wala po. Kailangan po, meron kayong left and right group PVs. Okay? Malinaw po yan, ha? Next, what is the marketing system? Okay. Binary system, left and right lang po tayo. Malinaw na po yan. And then, one global service system, meaning your ID number is pwede nyo pong gamitin all over the world. It's an universal ID. Okay, so if you migrate or travel to other countries, you can use your account to order or purchase. Okay, and then you can have members purchasing under you sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo because we are one global server. Okay, ang ganda, di ba? Sa ibang companies, when you, let's say, go to another country and build your network there, goodbye na sa Philippine network mo, wala na yun, mag-start ka ng bago doon. Dito hindi, hakot mo lahat yan. O, di ba, ang galing? One global server system, walang ganyan po sa iba. Tama po? Okay, next. Passive point system income. Ang kita nyo po, hindi nanggagaling sa perang binayad ng member nyo. Okay? Yung iba kasi akala ganon. Baka na direct selling. Pwede siguro. But we are a system income. And the system will calculate the points on your left and on your right to give you income. And it's passive. Why? Because even if you don't do anything, maghapon kang nakahilata dyan, nanonood ka ng Netflix, income will come to you. Sino may gusto ng ganun? Manood ng Netflix, magdamag. Kumain. Okay. Next. Third generation inheritable system. O yan. So, as I said a while ago, hanggang sa apo nyo. Okay? Kaya we will reach up to 100 years, di ba? And syempre, magugustuhan ng anak nyo, ng apo nyo, and they will get for their members or their family members. So, tuloy-tuloy po talaga yan. Sabi ni Sir Gian, tuloy-tuloy, araw-araw. Nagagawin ng Atomy. Okay. Next. Ceiling income system, I already explained that a while ago. So meaning if you joined Atomy 5 years ago or 5 years from now, you will still get the same ceiling income, fair and square with everyone. Okay? Next. Will Atomy sustain me in the future? Kaya ba niya? Okay. Sabi ni CEO dito, yes, because we are future-ready marketing structure. High-tech po tayo, ha? Sabi ni CEO, 78% of future jobs will be taken over by artificial intelligence. And only 0.001 with platform business will have stable income. This is a study by the Seoul University po. Yan. So ano daw yung 0.02? Mga politicians at mga artista. Oh. Sino gusto maging artista? Sila yung 0.002. Okay? Next. Ano yung 99.99%? Owning no wealth. So, good for us. We are on an online business. O di ba? Paano pong hindi online, di ba? Ito pa, sabi ni Jack Ma, in 2030, that's 7 years from now, more than 85% of businesses will be e-commerce. Okay? And, ano yan? 99% trade fairs will be online. If you're not globalized, you're dead. Sabi niya. Paano? Di ba maraming online business? Tama po. Paano kung di naman sila global? So, alam nyo na mangyayari sa kanila. Okay? Now, next. Patalastas po muna tayo, ha? Ito. So, if you know this restaurant in Baguio, this is a four-story building. Thousands po ang kumakain dito every day. And to help that, to alleviate that situation, they got a robot waiter. Okay, so can we please play the video? Ay, nakikita niyo po ba? Hindi pa nagpe-play? Ayan. Okay. The first restaurant to have artificial intelligence is in Baguio City. This was in July 2022. Okay. The name is Belabot, sabi niya. So they already have this also in Jollibee somewhere in Manila and they call it Jollibot. O, di ba? Yan. So ibig sabihin, ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Isipin nyo na ngayon, ano magiging trabaho ng mga anak nyo at apo. Mag-a-apply pala sila sa restaurant, wala na sila. Sinong kukunin yung robot, di ba? Ano yung AI, di ba? So, pwede magtrabaho yan ng 24/7, di ba? Hindi magkakasakit, hindi magko-complain, hindi mag-a-absent. O, di ba pag makinaryanan, lalagyan lang ng langis? Pag computer generated yan, di system upgrade lang. O, saan sila mas makakamura with more output? Di siyempre, doon na sa AI, di ba? Which means now, you have to advise your family, your children and grandchildren na mag-isip-isip kung ano yung magiging trabaho nila in the future, di ba? Dapat related sa online or let them get an Atomy account. Tama? That's the answer, di ba? That's the answer. Yun lang yun. Bottom line. Ay, okay. Next na po. So what is the business strategy or vision? Okay, so napag-usapan na po kanina ito. This is our theme for this year, Global Synchronization and Quantum Jump, na dapat daw globally, sabay-sabay tayo, and invite po natin ating friends and relatives abroad. Okay. And GSGS, kinukuha po ng Atomy ang the best products all over the world and makes it available online. Okay. And balak pa ng Atomy is to be a global distribution hub na future one-stop shop. O, di ba? Meron tayong branded items, gadgets, and food and beverage sa mall. We'll have insurance, travel and tours, you already have the Hana credit card, and tinatayo na daw yung hotel ngayon, and also there will be a gas station. Imagine, may friends kayo, mamamasyal sa Europe, pupunta sa travel agency, imbes na doon sila pupunta sa agency, sa inyo kukuha ng itinerary, di ba? So, sinong kikita? Kayo, di ba? Ang galing ng Atomy, one-stop shop. This is the future of your account. You will be an international agent. Di ba? Ang galing. Next. Now, we go to the income part. So, companies are built to have profit. Tama lang, dapat may profit, di ba? But, in Atomy, aside from the profit, 30% is given to Kawanggawa. Yan. Atomy Humanitarian Business Trust. This is another phase of Atomy. So, behind Atomy, why does Atomy exist? Hindi lang para sa profit, hindi lang para sa members, but to be a blessing to other people. Yan. Business as a mission bomb. Okay. Dream Foundation. So, ang ginagawa dyan, relief and mission work, donations, Bible schools, gospel revivals, yan, etc. na mga kawanggawa. Okay. And recently, which was explained a while ago also, may nag-donate ng 237,000 recently to Compassion Philippines for indigent children. Magkano po yan ng palit? Almost about 13 million. Tama po ba ang computation? Extra fund. Okay. May alam po ba kayong MLM o ibang company na nagdo-donate ng ganyang kalaki? Extra cash. Diba? Gusto nyo yan? So nakakatulong po tayo sa ating kapwa, diba? Hindi lang sa atin. Okay, next. Now we go. Western in Atomy, Education Center, General Commission, and Mastership Bonus. Okay. So, Education Center, you get 6%. Tulong po sa inyong rent, ilaw, and tubig. Okay? Then, so ito po yung requirements. Kung may nagkaka-interest po, please ask your sponsor, so I will not delve too much into that, okay? Yes. General Commission, 44% of the entire sales PV will be distributed between qualified members every week according to the rates, so prorated po siya. And dapat daw, may sarili kayong 10,000 points value sa pangalan nyo. Bakit po? Para yung ma-accumulate na PV sa right and left nyo ay qualified po sa inyo. Tama naman, di ba, na alangan naman nakikita ka tapos hindi ka man lang mag-try, di ba? So, unfair din yun. Okay? Next. So, ito na po. I want you to pay attention to this. Okay? So, ito po yung scenario. Now, you already tried some products. 10,000 points value yung kinuha nyo. Okay. And you invited your cousin, your teacher, your friend, your neighbor, your batchmate, your churchmate, and then your crush. O, di ba? Kasali pa si crush dyan. Okay, now, they ordered. So, kung mapapansin nyo, the dates are not sunod-sunod ha. So, they will buy whenever they want. Okay. So, itong bumili sa left nyo ng 65 points, 150,000 points, and the 90 points, hindi nyo po kilala. Bakit? They were connected to you by your sponsor. O, di ba? Ang galing. And, ay isa pang maganda, hindi nyo alam, pumasok yung points sa inyo nung tulog kayo. Because of the time zone, and we are global one server, pumasok ang points sa inyo from abroad. O, di ba? Ang galing. O, hindi nyo kilala yan. Di ba? Pero, pumasok sa inyo ang points. Di ba? Ang galing. Oh, yan. Okay, and then now, this is the system income. It will be calculated, magkano total sa left, 315,000, and sa right is 300,000. And then you will get cash. How much? Now, if you only have 10,000 points value, you are called a sales representative, or that is the customer account. So how much? Pag may 300 ka sa left and 300 sa right, you will get 800 pesos commission. So that's the 800. Now, for example, as you went along, you tried other products, umabot ng 300,000 ang iyong account. You are now called an agent. Yan po yung business account. Okay. Now, nagkaroon ng 300,000 sa left and sa right mo, you will now have 2,300 commission. Actually, less tax na po yan, ha? Okay. So that's the story. Okay, next. So ito po yung nangyari, ha? Okay, tinutuloy ko lang. And then, once you have that, you will see this in your general commission record. So makikita nyo sa left, nakalagay yung 315,000 and then sa right yung 300,000. Okay, so sabi dyan may grade 7. Anong ibig sabihin ng grade 7? It is 2,300. Okay, now makikita nyo yung 00 dyan. Anong ibig sabihin? Nag-reset na po yung counter ng left and right nyo to 0 kasi nagamit na yung both 300, ano? And you already have your income, which means magka-count na naman siya ng another purchases the following days. Ang galing ba? Okay, o yan. Ito na yung next. The following week, there's a new member who purchased about 10,000 points. And now your cousin, nakita niya na kumita ka. Sabi niya, ay ako din, gusto ko rin. Pero mag-agent sige muna ako, sabi niya. So now she added 290,000 in her account, making her 300,000 agent status. Okay? Tapos may new member pero hindi siya nag-purchase. So magkano pong total niyan? Magkano? Math subject tayo ngayon. Magkano total? Sa left? Bakit ang hina ng sagot nyo? 300,000. Okay, sa right. Finally, si Crush, bumili siya. Bumili siya ng Medicook set para sa nanay niya. Tapos may new member who also availed 40,000 points. So ang total, lakas ng boses ni Ma'am Luz. Naririnig ko hanggang dito. Okay, 300,000. So what will you get? 2,300 pesos again. O, di ba? So, paulit-ulit lang po yan, continuously. And now, as you went along, you tried some other products, and your PPV now is 700,000. So, pag meron po sa right and left nyo na the same 700 PV, you will have 4,700 income, commission. Okay, and then next, as you went along, nadagdagan yung mga pinapurchases nyo, nag 1.5 million points na kayo sa pangalan nyo, and pag meron din sa magkabilaan mo, magkano? Approximately? Yes, sabi na Ma'am Luz, 10,000. Okay, next. Now, you become 2.4 million PPV, exclusive distributor na po ang tawag sa inyo. Okay, magkano po? Dandararan. Ayan. About 50 million PV on left and right, you can get 60,000. It can be monthly, it can be weekly, it can be daily. Okay, sino may gusto ng daily? Yung mga pumalakpak sila lang makakakuha ng daily. Okay, yan, gusto pala ninyong lahat eh. Ba? Okay, next. So, ito pong ina-explain kong general commission. You will get this as you buy, when they buy. No time frame po, ha? So, pwede siyang mabagal. Pero pwede ring mabilis. Depende sa dami ng bumibili sa ilalim ninyo. Okay? Next. So, ito po yung chart. If you want to follow yan, meron niyang, para alam nyo yung left and right nyo para makuha yung gusto nyong commission. Okay? Okay na po? Next. Ayan, dealership. So, about this one, please inquire from your sponsors about this, okay? And then now, ito yung sinabi kong ceiling income. It was explained by CEO before. So, ibig sabihin, if you joined 5 years ago or 5 years from now, you will get the same ceiling income, okay? The same, yan. So, when do I get my general commission? Accumulation period is Wednesday to Tuesday and will be released the following Tuesday. Okay. Next. Ito, mastership bonus. 20% of entire sales PB will be distributed according to mastership. Kailan daw ang accumulation period? 1 to 15th. Tapos, marirelease ng 22nd. Okay. Kung 16 to 30th naman kayo nag-challenge sa group, makukuha nyo yan ng 7th of the next month. Okay, next. We have the 7 mastership bonus. Okay. Pakibasa nga po at napapagod na ako magsalita dito. Pakibasa po. Very good, children. Okay, 20% of entire sales PV will be distributed according to mastership. Okay, smile naman daw ako kasi pinipicturean niya ako. Sorry. Thank you, Sir Mike. Okay, now we have this promo from the HQ, okay, semi-sales master. So dapat daw may 1.5 million points ka sa left and 1.5 million points sa right. 1 to 15, 16 to 30th din siya. And yan, magkano makukuha? Approximately 20,000 commission and bonus in 2 weeks group challenge. Okay, so maswerte po yung may SSM ngayon kasi dati po noon, wala pong ganito. At may mga members po kami nakakaabot ng 1.5. Meron akong member sa Canada, 3 million siya, ganito ang nangyari sa kanya. Pero sorry lang siya kasi wala pa noon ang SSM, kaya wala siyang bonus. Okay, so maganda po to sa mga panahon ngayon. Okay, next. Sales Master. So, this is a group effort, 1 to 15 or 16 to 30th na team effort po siya. Okay, pag-uusapan nyo kung kailan nyo gagawin. So, kung magse-Sales Master ka, you need 2.5 million points on your left and on your right. Okay? Now, ano makukuha mo? 1 box Emohim, 1 The Fame Set, and 1 evening care. So, you can sell, you can use, you can gift away. It's up to you. Okay, ano pa? Approximately 40,000 commission and bonus in 2 weeks group challenge. Okay, minus tax po ha. Next, Diamond Master, next level. You need 2 sales masters challenging with you at the same time. So, hindi na points ngayon ha. Tao na po talaga na nagcha-challenge din as sales master. 2 sa left and 2 po sa right. And ano makukuha? 1 box Emohim, 1 The Fame Set, 1 evening care set, and sino may gusto ng laptop? Oh, pwede kayong bumili sa SM muna kasi hindi pa kayo nagcha-challenge. Bili muna kayo. Okay, and how much? Approximately 80,000 commission and bonus in 2 weeks group challenge. Okay, next. Pag Sharon Rose ka naman, like ni Ma'am Lorraine, my mentor, okay, kailangan mo ng 2 Diamond Masters sa left and 2 sa right. Okay. So nakikita nyo po, magkakadikit po lahat ng masters ha. Sabay-sabay po yan. Okay. Anong nakukuha? 2 travel tickets sa Jeju Island. Ito nakalipas lang po nung March 26 sila nag-travel yung mga Sharon Rose Master. Mga pandemic Sharon Rose Master nag-travel dito. Okay. And 80,000 cash po na binigay sa kanila. Okay. Sinong gustong pumunta sa Jeju Island? O sige, ilagay nyo sa live scenario nyo ha. Okay, next. Plus, may makuhang 250,000 commission and bonus in 2 weeks group challenge. Diretso po sa inyong bank account from HQ diretso. Hindi po dadaan sa inyong sponsor or sa head office. Okay? Next. Star Master, kailangan mo ng 2 Sharon Rose sa left and 2 sa right. How much will you get? 400,000 cash. And 4 travel tickets, Guam or Hawaii. Okay, pumunta sila Ma'am Claire dati dyan. Okay. Next, ayun, meron pa pala, 500,000. Sino may gusto ng 500,000? Ang hina. 500,000 nga eh. Okay, next. Royal Master, incentives. You need to anong kailangan? 2 Star Masters left and 2 Star Masters right. Okay. And you will get 4 travel tickets, car rental, 80,000 debit cards for sponsorship activities po to ha. Kailangan yung ubusin ang 80,000 every month. Kaya nyo? Oh, talaga? Kaya nyo? O sige. Pag hindi nyo naubos, kunyari 40,000 lang, 40,000 din lang ang ibibigay sa inyo ha, na i-replenish. Okay, and of course, that is our sponsor, Ma'am Claire, when she got the 2 million as Royal Master. Yay! So, makukuha rin po natin yan. Okay, plus 1 million commission and bonus in 2 weeks group challenge. Okay, ang galing niyo, di ba? And now, Crown Master, you need 2. Anong sagot? Very good. 2 Royal Master left and 2 Royal Master right. Challenging with you at the same time. Okay. And what will you get? 4 travel tickets to Europe. Sino may gustong pumunta sa Europe? Sige. Tingnan natin. Challenge muna. Challenge daw, sabi. Okay. Luxury car and mas mataas na po ang debit card, 200,000 pesos. And gusto nyo ng pera nakamaleta? 12 million cash. Wow ba? Wow na wow ba? Okay. Okay, next. And finally, ay, meron pa pala. Sorry. May 1.5 million pa pala kayong pera and bonus in 2 weeks group challenge. Okay. Now we go to the Imperial Master. 4 travel tickets to Europe, 10 days, 11 nights. Luxury driver, ang driver nyo, may sweldo po na 80,000. Kaya pag yung asawa nyo, nagkukontra sa inyo sa Atomy, gawin yung driver. Para meron siyang, 80,000, bigyan kita. O, di ba? Tapos, yung may office kayo with secretary, ayaw ng kapatid nyo, di kunin mo secretary, may sweldo siya. 60,000, o, di ba? And then, meron kayo, mas mataas ang 400,000 debit card. Kaya nyo ubusin? Monthly. Kaya? Sure? Okay. And then, of course, we have cash of 2 million commission and bonus in 2 weeks group challenge. And then, tandararan, again, magkano $1 million? Magkano palit ngayon ng peso? O, di ba? Ang galing. Depende sa palit, ang galing ngayon, di ba? Ang taas. Sino may gusto ng pera sa forklift? Taas ang kamay. O, di ba? Yan. So, imagine niyo na yung sarili niyo na awardan kayo niyan sa Korea. Isipin niyo na yung susuotin yung gown. Di ba? Yan. Dapat alamin niyo na. Okay? Tapos, nasabi ko na yung travel tickets sa Europe. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, maganda po ba? So, at least ngayon, nakita nyo na po ang difference ng Atomy. Yung in-explain ko against self-employment, employment, and other MLM. So, sa iba pa ba kayo o sa Atomy? Very good. Okay. Now, ito po yung chart. Okay, so you can screenshot this one para meron po kayong guide. Okay. So, itong mga bonus na to, pwede nyo pong makuha yan regularly as long as pumapasok po yung mga points sa ilalim nyo. But these incentives, you will only get them once in your lifetime pag you reach that position. Except for yung debit card po, kasi monthly lifetime na po yun. So, buhay na kayo. Okay? Kahit di na kayo mag-Atomy. Okay? Next. Okay. Why Atomy? Sabi niya, can you please read? Ano, ang gulo nyo. But anyway, andyan yung sense, ha? So, galing kay CEO mismo yan. Ayan. So, I would like to end with this verse. Sabi, a good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. So, biblical po ang Atomy marketing plan, di ba? To God be the glory po. Salamat po.